Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy economic trends with Bloomberg, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Bloomberg Terminal. Log in using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the Bloomberg interface. Look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type ECO into the search bar to access the economic monitor. Press the Go key. Review the available economic trends displayed. Use the filters to narrow down the data to specific regions or sectors. Select the desired economic indicators from the list provided. Click on the individual indicators to view detailed data. Take note of historical data and forecasts available for each indicator. Use the charting tools to visualize trends over time. Adjust the time frame for your analysis as needed. Download relevant data by clicking on the Export option. Choose your preferred file format for export. Analyze the data to identify significant trends. Incorporate the insights gained into your financial or economic models. Regularly check the economic monitor for updates on trends. Stay informed on upcoming economic events via the calendar feature. Use the Bloomberg community forums for additional insights and discussions. Leverage Bloomberg's help function if you need further assistance. Practice navigating the platform to increase your efficiency. Utilize Bloomberg's mobile app for on-the-go access to economic trends. Regularly revisit the tools and features to maximize your understanding. This hands-on approach will build your confidence in utilizing Bloomberg for economic analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.